Welcome to Lingala Institute. This Lingala lesson is about people who like to complain. Oh God, was I born just to suffer? Ah Nzambe, nabuta makaka puna muna pasi? No, your situation will change. Te, makambo nayo egosimba. How do you know? Uyebi ndenge nini? I don't know. I'm just saying. Nayebi te, nalobi nanga kaka. If you don't know something, be quiet. Soko yebi likambo te, vanda nye. Part 2. I will not be scared. Nakobanga te. Thank you. Melesi. What do you call this in Lingala? Oyo kombo na yango nini na Lingala? Do not enter. Kokota te.